ask questions to each other, work which cards, solve variables, work in which picture, laboratory work, solution of the chemical problem, and new terminology. Okay? Okay. I want you to ask and answer the question. Group 1, ask question to group 2. 2 group ask question to 3 group 3. 3 group ask question to group 1. Okay? Group 1, start. I will please.
How many chemical reactions types?
Amelia?
There have 4 types of chemical reactions.
True, okay. Group?
What's a combination reaction?
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction is a reaction that in that two reactants equals to one product.
What's the decomposition reaction?
Decomposition reaction.
It's a chemical reaction which one reactant decomposes two or more products.
What is a single displacement reaction?
Single displacement. I forgot.
A single displacement reaction is a chemical reaction where one reactant is excited 1 of a second reactant.
Okay. Group 2, ask question.
What's a double displacement reaction?
Double displacement reaction. Judas, please.
Double displacement reaction is a chemical reaction that progresses between two compounds.
Okay, is it the answer correct?
Yes.
Yes. Group 3, ask question. Group 3, ask question. Натрий хлоридini бром мен қосылу қай реакция деген сияқты қоя береміз.
Calcium plus 2 molecules of oxygen equals to calcium oxide, which reaction type?
Okay. Nice.
The combination reaction.
The combination reaction. Is it answer correct?
Composition.
It's composition reaction. Decomposition.
Неге. Now I will show you cards and you should identify the reaction type. Which reaction type? Single displacement reaction. Answer true? Yes. Daniel?
It's a combination reaction.
What?
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction. Okay. Kelly, so which reaction type? Armand?
It's a double displacement reaction.
Double displacement reaction. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. Which type of reaction?
Combination reaction.
Combination reaction. Okay. Which reaction type?
Double displacement reaction.
Double displacement reaction. Is it the answer correct? No.
Combination.
Single displacement.
No.
Combination reaction. Combination reaction.
Combination reaction. Қосылу реакциясы емес па? Which reaction type? Daniel? Decomposition reaction. Okay. Which reaction type? Arjan?
Single displacement reaction.
Single displacement reaction. Okay. Which reaction type?
Single displacement reaction.
Single displacement reaction. Okay. Which reaction type? Double displacement reaction. Is it answer correct?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Look at the blackboard and look at behind the blackboard, and what can you see? Rivers. Okay. Now solve the rivers, and you will find the meaning of our lesson. Yani rivers şişi arqılı bugün sabahın hakkını çıkartırız. Hi? Solution. Okay. Today lesson name is solution. Terminology. News terminology. Repeat after me. Solution. Solvent. Solute. Solubility in water. Percentage. Concentrate. Saturate solution. Unsaturated solution. Universal. Dissolved. Okay. Group 1. Repeat.
Solution, solvent, solubility in water, percentage.
Okay. That's enough. Group 2.
Universal, dissolvent, solution, concentration, solution.
3 group.
Solution, solvent, solubility in water, percentage,
That's enough. Judas.
saturated solution, unsaturated solution,
Ayajan. Repeat.
solution, solvent, solubility in water, percentage, concentration, saturated solution, concentrated solution, universal dissolution.